Last time we talked about suspense and we finished this lesson last time. So today we are going to study some grammar, okay? Read these sentences. Marvis is funny. Merle is funnier than Marvis. Cleve is the funniest among the three. In these sentences, the highlighted words show the different degree of adjectives, degrees of okay, they show different degrees of adjectives. Adjectives means quality. When you describe the quality of a noun, that's called adjective. And what does degrees of adjective mean? Degrees of adjective are that show you comparison, that makes you help in comparing things. Okay, degrees of adjectives help us make a comparison between two or more things, places or persons. So degrees of adjectives are that we studied these last time as well. We have studied this in class 5th, degrees of adjectives. Okay, and it's very easy, and I hope you won't find any difficulty in understanding degrees of adjectives. Okay, degrees of adjectives help us make a comparison between two or more places or persons or things, we can say, isn't it? So they show you comparison, they help you in making comparison. For example, this bed is bigger than that bed, this room is bigger than that room. Okay, so when you show comparison between the two or more things, okay, see, you have there are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. See, big, bigger, biggest. So this is the comparison when you have 3 things, okay, 1, 2 and 3 or 3 things. It that helps you in comparing whether which one is big and which one is smaller. Okay, which one is bigger and which one is smaller, that makes that it's only possible through degree by making use of degrees of adjectives. So there are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. An adjective in positive degree remains in its root form. For example, Shaurya's house is big. Positive degree में जो भी ये होता है एडजेक्टिव होता है वो क्या रहता है, अपने रूट फॉर्म में रहता है, उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं आता है, वो एक ही चीज़ होती है. हाँ, मतलब एक ही चीज़, वहाँ पे कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होता है. देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन एट ऑल. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल शौर्याज हाउस इज बिग, यहाँ पे किसी चीज़ के साथ इसका कंपैरिजन नहीं है. दैट मीन्स ये अपने रूट फॉर्म में ही रहता है. An adjective in comparative degree is used to compare the qualities of two. And now in comparative degree, you have a comparison. When another this comparative form में क्या होता है कि comparison होता है between two things or two places or two persons. For example, Renuka's house is bigger than Shaurya's. अब किसका मकान आया वहाँ पे? रेनुका का. मीन्स comparative degree में 2 चीज़ों का comparison होता है. An adjective in superlative degree is used to compare the qualities of more than 2 persons, places or things. It shows the highest degree of that quality. For example, Amir's house is the biggest. So the adjective that's in superlative degree is used to compare. Now there comes another house or more than this, more than 3 houses. Are you मेरी बात समझ में? First it was Shaurya's house, second it was Renuka's house, and now it's Amir's house, or maybe there are more houses, more than 3 houses. Okay, so what is superlative degree? It's used to compare the qualities of more than 2 persons or 2 places or 2 things, and it shows the highest degree of that quality. Amir's house is the biggest. It means it shows the highest degree of quality, highest degree of that quality. We form the comparative and superlative degrees by adding er, est to the positive degree. So how we form comparative degree? We form comparative degree by adding er to the positive degree, or we form the superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. Adding r and st to the positive degree ending in e. And yes, those adjectives that end with e, we add r or st to make positive degree comparative or superlative. If it is comparative degree, we add r to it, and if it is superlative degree, we add s to it, but with those adjectives that end with e. Replacing the last y with IER and IEST to the positive degree. And yes, those adjectives that end with y and y IER or IEST is added to those positive degrees that end with Y for making them comparative or superlative. If it is comparative, we make use of IER, and if it is superlative, we make use of IEST. Using more and most before the word. So sometimes there are those words where we cannot use IEST, or where you cannot use ER or EST or ST or R. We make use of more or most. Doubling the last consonant and adding ER and EST to the positive degree. Sometimes we double the last consonant, okay? And what happens there? And then we add ER or EST to the positive degree. Using more and most before the word. Making a major change in the spelling in case of irregular comparisons. And yes, when there are irregular comparisons, there we make major change in the spelling. If you have any example, for example, you have, we will study this tomorrow. I'll tell you the example of these जो ये यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, इनकी एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको कल बोलूँगी. I'll tell you its example tomorrow, okay? So for a time, just keep in mind that we have to make major change in the spelling in case there are irregular comparisons. And tomorrow I will give you its example as well, okay? See, here are some of the examples. Tall, taller, tallest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Large, larger, largest. Nice, nicer, nicest. See. Easy, easier, easiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Big, bigger, biggest. By doubling, okay? You have here, see, we are doubling the consonant here. BIG, then another GER, okay? So here we are, last consonant of the positive degree of big is doubled here in comparative degree, and then we add ER to it in order to make a comparative degree. Important, more important, most important. Suitable, more suitable, most suitable. It's not suitable, suitable, or suitablest. That's wrong, okay? Most of you people make these mistakes. Good, it's not good, gooder, goodest. It's good, better, best. It's bad, not bad, badder, baddest. It's bad, worse, and worst. Now complete the table of adjectives. Exciting. What would come here? It's exciting, more exciting, most exciting. It's not exciter or excitest. It's exciting, more exciting, and most exciting. So here is wisest, superlative degree. What will come the comparative degree? Wiser. And positive degree? Wise. In the same way, here is great, positive degree, comparative degree, greater, superlative degree, greatest. Honest, positive degree, comparative degree, more honest, superlative degree, most honest. Brighter is the comparative degree. What would come its positive degree is bright, brighter, and superlative degree is brightest, okay? So tomorrow I'll give you more examples of these degrees of adjectives. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.